Hello students, welcome back to one of the most important video of class 9. Why it is important? Today we will learn about the types of rational number. In the previous video, in the first video, I have explained what are real numbers and types of rational number. Real numbers. There are two types of real numbers, rational number and irrational number. But today we will study about how to represent rational number and irrational number in decimal expansion, in decimal form. So let us revise. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers which are in the form of P upon Q are called rational numbers, and irrational numbers which are not in the form of P upon Q are irrational numbers. So rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, this is rational number in the form of P upon Q, not in the form of P upon Q. Suppose 4 upon 1 minus 3 upon 2 minus plus 5 upon 3 all are the example of rational number and irrational number which are not. So sir, what are irrational number? Give the example. Root 2, root 5, root cube root of 7 all are the example of irrational number. They cannot represent. Suppose सर आपने कहा कि 5 and 6 and 7 are all rational number because we can easily represent them by putting 1 in the denominator. Why these not to be represented in the form of P upon Q by putting 1 in the denominator? Let us explain. What is the condition? कि P and Q are integers. Here P are not integer. When we remove the radical sign, you will get 2 to the power 1 by 2. When you remove the cubic sign, you will get 7 to the power 1 by 3. So these are not integers. So that's why we cannot be represented in the form of P upon Q. That's why they are irrational numbers. So it's clear what are the difference between rational numbers and irrational numbers. Now we have to learn how to represent rational number and irrational number in the decimal form. Expansion of rational number and irrational number in decimal form. So rational number are two types of decimal expansion. 5 by 2, 7 by 8. When you divide 5 by 2, you will get 2.5. When you divide 7 by 8, you will get 8 8 is 64, 6, 8 7 is 56, 4, 8 5 is 40. After certain steps, remainder is 0. We will get the remainder 0 in both the decimal expansion. When you divide 5 by 2, 5 को 2 से डिवाइड किया तो कुछ स्टेप बाद आपका रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया, यानी कि फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ डेसिमल 2.5. When you divide 7 by 8, you will get after some steps of division, आपके 3 स्टेप के बाद ये आंसर रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया and the answer is 0.875. So such type of decimal expansion are called terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal. Okay. Now, when look at the example, when we divide 10 by 3, what you get? Yeah, 11 by 7, what you get? When you divide 10 by 3, the answer is 3.3333. When you divide 11 by 7, the answer is 1. 7 1 is 7, 4. 7 5 is 35. 5. 7 7 is 49. Then 1. 7 1 is 7. Then 3. 7 4 is 28. Then 2. 7 2 is 14. Then 6. So you will get after some decimal position, you will get the digits are in repetition form. Here the division 10 by when then divide 10 by 3, after the first place only we will get the 333. But here 1.57142, still the division is going on, and after some place of decimal we will get a set of digits, repetition of sets of digits. Repetition of sets of digits like 3.425, 423, 423, 423 like this, a set of repetition of digits. Here only a single digit is repeated. In such examples, set of digits are repeated. So these are the examples of rational number which are called non-terminating decimal or repeating or recurring or periodic or circulating. 4 नाम होते हैं. So such type of decimal expansions are what? Or non-terminating decimal or recurring or repeating or periodic or circulating. So all are name of the non-terminating decimal. So rational numbers are two type of decimal expansion: terminating decimal and non-terminating but repeating or recurring. Okay. So it's clear to you the decimal representing of decimal expansion of rational number are two types. Now we come on the decimal representation of irrational number. Decimal representation of irrational number is only one type. When you find the value of square root 2 by long division method that you have already learned in class 8, square and square root chapter में आप कर चुके हैं. When you find the square root of 2 by long division method by putting just like this, follow this rule: 1 ones of 1, 2 1, then pair 1 plus 1, that is 2, 4, 496 like this, you will get 1.414. So you will get such type of decimal expansion in which non-terminating is there but non-repeating. कोई भी जाके किसी भी डेसिमल पोजीशन के बाद सेट ऑफ डिजिट्स रिपीटेशन में नहीं आएंगे. तो सच टाइप ऑफ डेसिमल एक्सपेंशंस आर कॉल्ड नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग. तो irrational number is only one type of decimal expansion, that is non-terminating and non-repeating. Example: 0.01011 0111 0111 like this. Look at this example. In this, after the decimal, the digits are non-repeating but non-terminating, क्योंकि खत्म भी नहीं होगा decimal expansion, finite decimal remainder 0 भी नहीं आ रहा. So it is non-terminating and non-repeating. So irrational number is only one type of decimal expansion, that is non-terminating and non-repeating, and rational number are two type of decimal expansion. One is terminating and other is non-terminating but repeating or recurring. It's clear to all of you? So that's all from today's class. In the next class we have to learn how to represent rational number and irrational number on number line. Till then, goodbye all of you.